Hello, welcome to Las Vegas Bus Sales. My name is James, and today I'll be showing you a 2009 Bluebird All-American. Let's take a look. Alright, once again, 2009 Bluebird All-American commercial bus. This one is powered by the Cummins ISC diesel engine. It's paired with a 5-speed Allison automatic transmission. Go ahead and start with the tires. All around, they still have some life in them. This one is equipped with the school bus style drop down windows. It does have power side view mirrors. It is equipped with a roof mounted AC system, so you got the condensers up top there. And this is a pusher, rear engine bus. Take a look at that Cummins ISC here. So inside this bus is seating for 44 passengers. So this would be a good crew hauler, maybe an employee transport. Might be good for a church or a school. Might even be a good candidate for a conversion. Definitely plenty of options for something like this. Coming in, we have our bifold entry doors, air actuated. The stepwell looks really good. It's got white step nosing. I don't really see any major wear or damage to those. And once again, 44 passengers. These are going to be high back seats. It's got like the bench style seat with the individual high backs, covered in a gray vinyl. They're all in great shape. I only found one seat with a puncture hole in the back. Otherwise, they're all looking really good. Do have two AC evaporators, one up front, one at the back. That is going to do a great job at circulating the air, keeping it nice and cool in here. Got a rear emergency exit window, overhead lighting and speakers. And for the cosmetic condition on the outside, I thought it was great. The paint still has a shine to it. You've got some standard minor dings and scratches, nothing out of the ordinary. There's no major body damage, and it is free of rust as well. Taking a look at the driver's area, it is nice and clean. No rips or tears on the driver's seat. Got an AM, FM, CD player. And the mileage on this one is sitting at 90,805 miles. Well, definitely plenty of life left in this. Should be a good value. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video on our 2009 Bluebird All-American commercial bus. If you're interested in this or any of the buses on our lot, give us a call at 877-456-9804. You can view our full inventory at LasVegasBusSales.com. You can also email us at sales@LasVegasBusSales.com. Thank you again for watching.